Dive deep into namespaces in C#, how they group classes, prevent naming conflicts, and improve code organization. Learn to use and create namespaces effectively. You've explored how namespaces help organize code, prevent name conflicts, and improve readability. This ensures a solid structure for scalable C# applications. Why namespaces matter. Namespaces are containers for organizing code and ensuring that classes with the same name in different namespaces do not conflict. Nested namespaces. C# allows nesting namespaces for more granular organization, useful for large projects. These nested namespaces help segment code further for clarity. Using namespaces. You can use using directives to access code from other namespaces without fully qualifying their names in your code. Custom namespaces. You can create your own namespaces to group related classes for better organization and reusability. Organizing projects. Namespaces are essential for keeping code organized in real-world applications, especially when projects grow in size and complexity. Namespaces are a critical tool for managing large projects. By creating meaningful namespace hierarchies, you can keep your code modular, reusable, and easy to navigate.